the shortest legal paths to getting rich from scratch. So you want to get rich quick, legally. There's no magic formula, but some strategies can speed up your journey from zero to wealthy. The key is focusing on moves that generate money quickly instead of slowly saving pennies and hoping they multiply. Here are a few proven ways to build wealth from scratch as fast as possible without breaking the law. 1. Start a business or side hustle. Entrepreneurship is often called the fastest path to real wealth, and it's easy to see why. Around 88% of millionaires are business owners. Starting a business, even a small side gig, gives you unlimited income potential. Instead of waiting years for tiny raises, you can create your own pay raises by growing your enterprise. One young designer's side hustle pulled in $10,000 in the first month and later became a brand nearing $10 million in sales. The approach is simple, not to be confused with easy. Solve a problem, start small, reinvest your earnings, and scale up. Being your own boss is hard work, but the upside can be huge. 2. Develop high-income skills. Not ready to run a business? Invest in yourself by learning skills that employers or clients pay top dollar for. The quickest legal way to boost your income is to become more valuable in the marketplace. This could mean learning to code, mastering digital marketing, sharpening sales skills, or training in a high-paying trade. Any expertise that's in demand. Thanks to online courses, many inexpensive or free, you can acquire a new high-income skill in a matter of months. In fact, building wealth often involves investing in yourself by learning new skills to seize better opportunities. More income from your skills means more money you can save and invest, accelerating your wealth-building process. 3rd, leverage online platforms. The internet lets you reach millions of people without a huge marketing budget. Whether you launch a YouTube channel, start a niche e-commerce store, or sell crafts on Etsy, online platforms can turn a one-person venture into a global business. Plenty of ordinary folks have gone from 0 to 6-figure incomes by consistently creating content or selling products online. Success might not come overnight, but if you stick to a niche and deliver value, your audience and income can snowball. Startup costs are low, often just your time and creativity, and your market is worldwide. In short, the web lets you leverage a global audience right from home, which can greatly speed up your path. 4. Save and invest wisely. Saving alone won't make you rich quick, but smart investing helps your money grow while you focus on making more. The sooner you start putting money into investments, the sooner compounding can work its magic. Even modest investments can grow substantially over time. By funneling your extra earnings into assets like stocks, index funds, or real estate, you let your money earn money, a key to building wealth faster. Real estate can also build wealth quickly if done wisely, though it requires know-how. The bottom line? Make your dollars work for you. High earnings can vanish if you spend everything, so live below your means and invest the rest in things that grow. That way, even when you're sleeping, your net worth is increasing. Final thoughts. No strategy will make you rich overnight, but these approaches can get you there much faster than the old work 40 years and save plan. The shortest legal road to riches is to take initiative. Build something, learn valuable skills, leverage technology, and put your money to work. It takes effort and persistence, and a sense of humor helps with the bumps. But you can dramatically speed up your journey to wealth. Stay adaptable and seize opportunities as they come. With enough hustle and a bit of luck, you might reach that first million sooner than you think, and you'll have earned it fair and square. I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel and like the video. Take care, guys.